Hello everyone. Today I am going to explain you about the pattern programs in Java. Okay. The first program which I want to show you about the triangular pattern. In my previous class, I have discussed about the nested loop theory, about the nested for loop, nested while loop, nested do while loop, and the use of break and continue statement in a nested loop. Now, I will do the program using the nested loop to solve this pattern. Basically, you can see the how many number of rows we have to move. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here we are having number of rows is equal to number of rows is 5, and how many columns we are having? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So number of columns is also 5. Means when we are first row we are printing 1 star, when we are moving to second row we are printing 2 star, when we are in the third row we are printing 3 star. Like that, when we are in the fourth row we are printing 4th star, in the fifth row we are printing the 5th star. So here the first loop which I will make, that will use to move from the rows. So the program will go like this. Class pattern 1, I give the name as a pattern 1, then public static void main. I take the loop variable as int I, comma j. So these are the loop variables. Loop variables. Okay. The outer loop, I run a for loop for I is equal to 1, I less than is equal to 5, I plus plus. Then I open the outer loop bracket and I write for j equals to 1, j less than equal to I, j plus plus. Thereafter, what I have to print? I have to print star. So I will write here system dot out dot print, and within double quotes I write star, double quotes close, okay, bracket close, semicolon, then I will close the inner loop. Okay. Thereafter I will write I'm just writing this side, you can see here system dot out dot println a blank line, then close of outer loop, close of main method, close of class. Okay. You can come down from here to here. Okay. So here we have taken two loop variable in I and j. For I is equal to 1, I less than equal to 5, I plus plus. Means this shows that the outer loop will rotate 5 times, okay, starting from 1, and the j loop will rotate according to the outer loop. Means if the outer loop rotates 1 time, the j loop will also rotate 1 time. If the outer loop rotates 2 times, the j loop will also rotate 2 times. Means it is starting from 1 and it goes to I. So if the value of I is a 1, so j loop is going to run 1 time. If the value of I is 2, then j loop will have 1 and 2. If the value of I is 3, then j will have 1, 2 and 3. If the value of I is 4, then j will have 1, 2, 3 and 4. Means 4 times it is rotating. And if the value of I is 5, then j will rotate 5 times. Means 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So first of all, so if I now go to the output, if I see the output, then first I is equal to 1 and the j is rotating. This is the value. Inside the j we are printing star. So first it is rotating 1, so it is printing 1 star. Then the SOPLN is given here, system dot println, so it is used to change the line of the cursor. And after that, the value of I is updated to 2, so we get I equals to 2. So j here rotating 2 times, so we are having the j value as 1 and 2, so we have 2 star. Similarly at I equals to 3, the j value is having 1, 2 and 3, so we have 3 star. At I equals to 4, the j equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, so we have 4 stars. And at I equals to 5, we have j equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have 5 star. Okay. Now you can see the values: 1 star, 2 star, 3 star, 4 star, and finally we got here 5 stars. So our output is 3. So in this way we need to print the pattern program of this sequence. So what is the sequence here? Sequence is like this. Means left side we are having the perpendicular. You can just see this is look like a right angle triangle. So this is the perpendicular, we take it as this is the sequence of this pattern. Now what I do, next program which I will discuss with you by replacing the star with the values. Okay. Second program is at 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, now you can see that I've replaced the star with this value 1, then 1, 2, then 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Now the program will go like this: class pattern 2 public static void main int I, comma j for I equals to 1, I less than equals to 5 I plus plus, then open the bracket of the outer loop and write for j equals to 1, j less than equal to I, j plus plus. Thereafter, we will print the value of j. So we write here, we write system.out.print, system.out.print j. Plus we provide a space in between the values. So close the inner loop. After that we write system.out.println. To change the line of the cursor, a blank passage is here. Then outer loop is closed, main method is closed, and the class is closed. Now if you go through this program, then first value of I is 1. Okay. So I is 1, I less than 5, this condition is satisfied. So it moves to the inner, and j loop starts with 1. J less than equal to I, 1 is less than I, equal to 1. So this is condition is true. It prints the value of j. So what it prints? So we are having here j equals to 1 and we are printing the value of j, that is your 1. Next time the j I value is updated to 2 and j value is starts with 1. Okay. So first of all it prints 1. Then j is rotating next time, j value is going to 2. So it also print that value, that is your 2. Then after that I is your 3, j value starts from 1, so first it prints 1, then j value is updated 2, so it's print 2, then j value is updated to 3, so it prints 3. Then I equals to 4, j first is a 1, so it prints 1, then j is 2, then it prints 2, then j is 3, so it prints 3, then j is 4, so it prints 4. Then at I equals to 5, j is 1, so it prints 1, then j is 2, so it's print 2, then 3, then it prints 3, then 4, so then it prints 4, then it's 5, so it prints 5. So if I show you the patterns, so what patterns we are getting over here? We are getting 1, then 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this pattern is obtained. Okay. So in this way, you need to execute this program. Next pattern is somehow different. So what we are going to do, we are printing the numbers just reverse of the second pattern. So how it is going to print? So we are going to print the pattern like this, the reverse. So we have 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 5, 4, 3, 2, 5, 4, 3, then 5, 4, 5. So here what we are having, at the first value of each row we are having first value is 5. Okay, so that is the inner loop, we have to start with the 5. One thing we got here. So outer loop will rotate from 1 to 5 because the last value you can see is the outer loop value. So here we are having 1. So if I keep I equals to 1 in the initial and j starts from 5, so it will go from 1 to 5. Okay, means 5 to 1. So it will be in the backward way, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So the program is class pattern 3 public static static void main int I comma j. I write for I equals to 1 initial value, I less than equal to 5 is a control variable. This is I less than equal to 5, last value must go with the 5, I plus plus, opening the bracket, then I write for j, first value always start, we are having 5, so we write I equals to 5, then semicolon, I, j greater than equal to I, and then decrease the value because we are having 5, 4, 3 to 1, means we are having the decreasing way. So we will write here j minus minus, then system dot out dot print the value of j will print. We will put a space in between the values, then close the inner loop, then write system dot out dot println then outer loop is closed, main method is closed, class is closed. Okay. Now I show you the working of this program, how the output comes. So initially what we are having I equals to 1. So right here I equals to 1. It goes to check the condition I less than equal to 5 and it finds the condition is true. Then it comes inside the loop, means the inner loop then begins. Then sum j is equal to 5. The first value of j is 5 and the condition here we given is j greater than equal to I, means j value is 5, I value is 1. So 5 is greater than 1, condition is true, then it goes inside the body and it prints the value of j. So we are having j equals to 5, so it prints 5 first. Then the value of j is decreased to 4, it is decreased to 4 and it prints then 4. Then the value of j is decreased to 3 and it prints 3. Okay, then the value of j is decreased to 2 and it's again check the condition and the find condition is true, so it prints 2. Then the value of j is decreased to 1, okay, and it finds that 1 is equal to 1, so it again print 1. After that the j value is decreased to 0 and it finds that 0 greater than equal to 1, its condition is false, so it does not print the value of j that time and it comes outside the inner loop and change the line of the cursor. The system.out.println will be executed. Then thereafter the value of I goes increased and it goes to I equals to 2. And j again it starts from 5. 5 is greater than 2, condition is true, so it prints 5. Next j value is decreased to 4, 4 is again greater than 2, so it prints 2. The next we are having 3, 3 is also greater than 2, so it's print 3. And then we are having the value decreased to 2, so it prints 2. So we have 5, 4, 3, 2, the second line. Then again the lines are changed, I value becomes 3, j again starts from 5, okay, and it prints 5 because 5 is greater than 3. Then j value is decreased to 4, 4 is also greater than 3, so it prints 4. Then value goes to 3, so 3 is not greater than 3, but it is equal to 3, so it condition satisfies, so it prints 3. Then I equals to 4, then we are having j initialized as 5, so 5 is greater than 4, so it prints 5. Then we are having j value decreased to 4, so it prints 4 because 4 is equal to 4, condition is satisfied. Okay. Then j value is decreased to 3, 3 is not either greater nor equal to 4, so it does not print 3. The line of the cursor was changed and we are having I equals to 5 and j is initialized as 5, so 5 is not greater than 5, but it is actually equal to 5. So condition becomes true here. So it prints 5. Okay. After that, what happens? The value of j is decreased to 4, and 4 is not greater than nor it is equal to 5. So it is not printing the 4 that time. So only in the last step we are having the 5. So what output we got here? We got 5 4 3 2 1 first line. Second line we got 5 4 3 2. Third line we got 5 4 3. Fourth line we got 5 4 and 5. So we obtained this output. So in this way this program is executed. Okay. Now I will explain you about the next program, how to print characters. Okay. Now if I take the characters A, B, C, D like that, alphabets, I will show that also. Before printing the character, I will show that in how we can print the different symbol at different position. Means at the odd position we will print the different, at even position we will print the different. Okay, like star, star, then I print at the rate, then star, at the rate, star, star, at the rate, star, at the rate, star, at the rate, star, at the rate, star. So you can see here, this is this position first. So this is your odd. So this is odd. This is the second. So this is even. This is the third column, so this is odd, and this is the fourth column, this is even. This is the fifth column, this is odd. Okay, so what we are doing, in the odd column we are printing star, in the even column we are printing at the rate. Okay, so this program is very simple. We have to just put a condition over the inner loop and we can easily make it out. Now let's see how to do that. Class pattern 4, public static void main, int I comma j for I equals to 1, I less than equal to 5, I plus plus, then for j equals to 1, j less than equal to I, j plus plus. Thereafter, opening of the inner loop bracket, within the inner loop we write. So what we are having, as you know, we are printing the values with the inner loop. Okay, so if the inner loop value is odd, we are printing star. If the inner loop value is even, we are printing at the rate. So if I write here, if j modulus 2 is equals to 0, that means the value of j is divisible by 2, means it is even. So what do we print? We print system dot out dot print, and here we will print what? At the rate. Okay, plus we can print a space over here, then else system dot out dot print, otherwise if it is odd we will print star. So within double quotes we write here star, The second space will provide. Then we will close the inner loop. We will change the line by providing a system.out.println. System.out.println. And close of outer loop, close of main method, close of class. So 3 brackets is for, first is for the outer loop, then main method, then class. In Java programming, you must remember the brackets are always closed in the order they are opened. Means if last in, first out. If the bracket which is open in the first will close at the last. Okay. And the bracket which enters last, that will open first. Now come to the program. We have written here int I is equal to 1 and I less than equal to 5. So the first condition is true, goes inside the loop, then j is initialized to 1, then j less than equal to I, condition is true. Now it will do if j modulus 2 is equal to 0. Okay. So first we are writing I j. I equals to 1, we are having j equals to 1. So I is 1, j is 1, j is divided by 2. So j divided by 2 is false here. So what it is printing? It is printing simply star. Okay. Then the value of I is upgraded to 2. And j again starts from 1. So 1 modulus 2 is again not equals to 0. So it prints star. Here j is updated to 2. So it prints at the rate, because 2 modulus 2 is your 0. Then I value is changed to 3. J again starts from 1. Okay. So first it prints star, because 1 modulus 2 is not equals to 0. Then j is updated to 2. So it prints at the rate, because 2 modulus 2 is a 0. Then j is updated to 3. So it prints star. Then I is updated to 4. I becomes 4. And j again starts from 1. So first it prints star, because 1 modulus 2 is not equal to 0. Then j value goes to 2. So it prints at the rate, because 2 modulus 2 is equals to 0. Then at the third position it prints star, because 3 modulus 2 is not equals to 0. And then at the fourth position it again prints at the rate. Now the value of I becomes 5 and j again starts from 1. So first it prints star, because 1 modulus 2 not equals to 0. J value is updated to 2, so it prints at the rate. Then j value is updated to 3, so it prints star. Then j value is updated to 4, so it prints at the rate. Then j value is updated to 5, so it prints star. Because all the odd numbers are not divisible by 2, so it prints star at that time. And even numbers are divisible by 2, so it prints at the rate. So this way we get the output. Okay. Now we will discuss how to print characters. A, A, B, A, B, C, A, B, C, D, A, B, C, D, E. The alphabet, the nursery class. Okay. So now I will discuss with you that how to print this alphabet, which we have studied in the nursery in a pattern. First way. I am writing here first way because there are two ways to print this alphabet. First way. Any way you can use as per your understanding, which you think is easier, you can use that. Class pattern fifth one. So public static void main. We take int I j. We take a character variable char ch is equal to a. Okay. Then we write for I equals to 1, I less than equals to 5, I plus plus. Then we write for j equals to 1, j less than equals to I and j plus plus. Write here system dot out dot print. We print the value of the character ch plus. In the second line, you can see that after it is been pure. So we write here ch plus plus to increase the value of ch. Okay. One thing what we do here, as in the beginning, we are having here a, so we must initialize the a over here. So ch equals to a. Always it will start with a. Okay. And in place of a here, we put a null character like this. Okay. Because once we are initializing, so it becomes a repetition of the same word unnecessary. So we initialize this variable with a null, and then ch equals to a. Initial value of the each row is your a, so we write here ch equals to a. Okay. I write more clearly. Then close the inner loop. Then you write system.out.println. Then close the outer loop, main method class. Okay. So I first come to the working of this. So what we are having, we are first having I equals to 1 and j equals to 1. Okay. So first character is your a, so it prints here a. A is printed. Then we are having ch plus plus, means it goes for updation, it becomes b, and then change the line, and I value is updated to 2. I value is 2. ch is again initialized with a. Okay. ch is initialized with a. J starts from 1. So first it prints the value of ch, that is your a. Then ch plus plus means ch will be incremented by one step and it becomes b. So at j equals to 2, it prints b. Then ch value becomes c. Okay, but the condition becomes false because j value becomes 3, so 3 is not less than or equal to I. Then change the line, then we have here I equals to 3, j again initialized with 1, so it prints a, then ch is updated to b at j equals to 2, and at j equals to 3, we have the ch value as C. Okay. Then again the I value is updated to 4. J again starts with 1. So first we print A. Then ch is updated to B and J is updated to 2. So it prints B. Then J is updated to 3 and ch is updated to C. So it prints C. Then J is updated to 4 and ch is updated to D. Then at I equals to 5 and J again starts with 1 and ch value starts with A. So first you print A. Then ch value is updated to B and J is updated to 2. So it prints B. Ch value is updated to C and J value is updated to 3. So it prints C. Ch value is updated to 4 and J value is updated to ch value is updated to D and J value is updated to 4. So it prints D. And ch value is updated to E and J value is updated to 5. So it prints E. Then ch value is updated to F, but J value is updated to 6. At that time the condition becomes false. So finally we get this output. Okay. So this is the one way to solve this pattern. Now I will show you the another way. The same question I will show you the another way. Secondly, same class pattern 5 public static void main int ij character, okay, variable initialized with null. Okay. I change over here. I write for char ch equals to A, ch less than equal to E. As you know, the characters are always written within the single quotes, so we have to enclose it within single quotes. Then we write here ch plus plus. Okay. Next, opening the outlook bracket, we write for char ch1 is equals to A, ch1 less than equal to ch1 plus plus. Okay. Then system dot out dot print value of ch1 plus we provide a space in between the values. We write system dot out dot println close the outer loop, close the main method, close the class. So here we are having initialized the value ch and ch1. This ch and ch1 are the loop variable over here and both are the character type. Okay. So first we write output ch and ch1. Ch value I will initialize with A. Okay. So A is less than equal to E. So it compares this value with this relational operator because it does the comparison with the ASCII code of that value. Okay. So less than equal to also works with the character. So here the condition is true. A is less than E. It goes to the inner loop. ch1 is initialized with A. And it checks whether ch1 is either equal or less than ch, so it finds the condition true and first it prints A. Okay. Change the line with this statement system.out.println. Thereafter, the value of ch is updated to b, ch plus plus. ch1 again starts with a, so it finds the condition true, it prints a. Then ch1 is updated to b, again the condition is true, so it prints b. Then change the line of the cursor. Then the value of ch is updated to c. ch1 again starts with a, so it prints a. ch1 values, it becomes b, so it prints b. Then it becomes c, condition is true, so it also prints c. Then the ch value is updated to d, and ch1 again initialized with a, so it prints a. ch1 becomes b at the second step, so it prints b because the condition is true. And then the value of ch1 becomes c, it prints c because the condition is true at this time also. And at last the value becomes d, so it prints d because this condition is true. Now the ch1 is updated to e, so this condition is false, so e is not printed at this time. Now the value of ch is updated to e. ch1 starts with a, so it prints a. Then it becomes b, so it prints b. Then it becomes c, so it prints c. Then it becomes d, so it prints d. Then it becomes e, and it prints e at the last. So this is the output which we get. Okay. So these are the different types of pattern programs. Programs are many more. We will discuss further classes. Okay. That's all for today. You please revise this program and please practice this all for more accuracy. Thank you very much.